Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanirba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy? Is surrogacy legal in India? How surrogacy is done? For all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Nong ay kitian kaseng BJP uba M kharkrang ulapente bahadu menta kaseng la perlaj ya ka kerteng jagi kha khandai ngut ki kertong gi bane khonik election chaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council habakren kinong pathai kubor uba M kharkrang ule tho ba kaseng garang khnilenti ban bishar bani asho ya gi wei pat ki kertong ki banang pan tiket na kaseng ulapenchai ba ka BJP kan pine khonot abaro ki constituency dar ka yo ki breki babiang bat ki ba ikop banjob Hagabai day bagajing itrilang bat kibai pat kiseng san pertai uba M kharkrang lopen pau bahadu menta kampat dan kanu kajing ekran bani trilang bat kibai kiseng san pertai haganik election shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council yakaba anselong no shen bat kaseng kanang yeng halaki jong ki kejat
adu menta ngi la pemi me first list kat kendai ngi kimi le tir gindang dot kiwi kiwi tang atrai menta gidang le ka survey gidang le ke bedon kam whether vulnerability factor very done boleh tahu cuai tiket untuk tinggi community bukan sami biang salah second is probably pendak kita kan tak kundai
Hatu ko BJP kan yakun lut na baro i constituency
amla larangi yo ki break ma biang tinggi ni kun lut tan larangi yo ki break biang dengan cepatnya le akan kam jemut kan kalau mentang kat kendai ngut bagi sutu kan long ni le tinggi le
Hagabai day bat ke election shteng samoy naga benta ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency uba M kharkrang ulong ba kaseng kladap ban pensngau shiginong yalam ka BJP ya Delhi bagi kuat ban bu kertong naga benta bane kon ya kenik election shteng samoy kani ke jaka kala thli ya deng jing khlano u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ubru MP naga seng VPP Kinong ilam ka BJP ya gejala kilong bakin kentu kinong ilam ka seng na Delhi ban aila de gejala ban bu kertong na market khot kitrang ban dan nau jong kertong la ban penken mau bah ke election chaka Lok Sabha hakasnam 8,000 arpusau ke BJP kala kershan ke NPP kat kum ka hukum ne gibor ke bahalor UMLA ke BJP bud khot ke National Executive Committee uba ALHEC uletho bakinong ilam ka gejala kila sedang ya kejing ekran ba kila pentep syau presiden ke BJP ha Meghalaya ban khot ke jing elang bakerke uba M kharkrang unong aikten ke BJP uletho ba ka seng kalarai bane khunhi barkinom kershan ki baipat hagasnam 8,000 arpusau ka hukum na Delhi ka ong ban kershan ke NPP bat kila buat ya kata ndri menta ka kam karang don hapo ke jing ekran uba M kharkrang ulapun pauru ya kejuk kejing mut baki kwa bane khun ndri karai ka bakado kan syong hakin nong yalam na Delhi
BJP last election also in lanong ready bani le la don kertong tama of course last hour pada kawan ka direction po Delhi ba ini ban support ya candidate going pada political party kembolong any election ni BJP ni penkret but ni community but this time ni nyelek election kan ni po Shillong seat ultimately we have to abide by direction of central leadership ni mah ngimla ban pelat kata kan mungkin kita gilat gilati cuki ku ban wa survey ban it's up to them dah
Oka BJP kala dan ang kikertong kiba ibiang nakabentakan ka MP election
yes kita candidates babiang dal ade kapur situ